let's go. It's time to put the new mod on, but I'm gonna have some help doing it. And it's been a minute since I recorded a video. I mean, it's no one else's fault but mine. Trust me, I understand that. I'm sorry, but we still keeping it going. We still keeping it going. Every mod that I do to this car from now on, I'm gonna be posting it on the channel. And we've done a couple things, some simple things that I need to show you guys, but I will do that after we kind of assemble this. And the way it looks, I'm not gonna say how it looks or what kind of spoiler it is, but just know that in my vision, it'll make the car look better. In my vision, it'll make it look better. We'll have to do a couple things to it. Man, it is hot. Did anybody else come outside this morning and just went like, the sun had a nigga like, god damn, like, turn Asian on a nigga for a minute.
Boy, if you don't get...
Like, I was low-key squinting my eyes. Like, god damn. Like, that's how hot it is outside and how bright it is. Like, I know y'all see the sun literally beaming down on me. Like, and no lie, I literally just woke up. Like, woke up and I was like, you know what? I got to do a video. I got to do this video. But we're going to be having some other people in the video too. So stay tuned for that. So just, basically, we're going to do like a pretty good transition. So, snap my fingers, we're going to be on the road. 3, 2. Alright, now we're back. See? It was a quick transition. It's hot, so I got the air blasted. So I'm sorry if y'all hear like gushes of wind. It's so goddamn hot. And I loaded the part back there. I don't know if you guys can see it there all that well. But yeah, now we're heading to one of the homies' cribs. And we're waiting for all those goddamn traffic to clear up. And then we can get going. We can get on the road. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. But yeah, man, how y'all been doing? Like, I ain't gonna lie. As of late, I met like a ton of new people that are in the cars. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I used to think St. Louis was boring.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
I used to think this place was boring, honestly. But it just depends on the people you know, really. Like, which is funny, but it's the truth. Some people might not like that when I say that, but it's funny, but it's the truth. But either way it go, you know we still gonna do what we gotta do. You know, you're gonna be a part of the Cruise family. And you know, we always gonna have like, we always gonna be doing some crazy shit. We're finna be on the lookout for some reels too though, bro. Like, no lie, be looking out on my Instagram, cause we finna have reels coming real soon with a lot of people. And we turning up all year round. So be sure to hit that notification bell, bro, and subscribe. It only takes like literally 2 seconds. Like, if you spent like literally 2 seconds clicking on my video and like maybe 2 minutes watching this far, what's 2 seconds? Okay, 2 seconds might be a little bit over exaggerative, but you know, it still don't take that long to like hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. But I'm gonna hit y'all back when we pulling up and we're with the homie. See, if it isn't the man himself, my boy. Aww. Yes. Are you ready?
Hot as hell, man. Hot as hell.
Yes, it's hot as fuck. Yes, it's very hot. But I have it. Told you I was gonna get it. How do you think it's gonna look?
You ain't gotta worry about color fading.
True. Very true.
Or is it plastic?
It's like a matte black, really. So like Here, I'll get it out. You can just keep recording. I couldn't think of how to get it in here. I was gonna tell you to just bring your dad's truck and we just bring it over here like this. Bring it over here like that because I ain't want it to bend and break. And turn the car off. Yeah, you as the L cameraman, you know, get the face and stuff. He's an L cameraman, y'all. Just bear with me. He's an L cameraman. Why are you getting so damn close? All right. So, in case y'all didn't know what the part is, it's big enough. I'm thinking some of y'all would have an idea. Oh, I ain't even take it out the wrapping yet. Okay, so what y'all gotta do, bruh, is when y'all taking y'all spoiler off of y'all 2011 through 14 Dodge Charger, you gotta take this back cover off, right? It's gonna be a screw right here and one right here. Well, no, there's two of them. There's two. You're gonna have one right here, and then the other one up here.
Oh, so there's two of them?
Yeah, you're gonna have one right there and one right there, and one right there. And I don't know if y'all can see that one right there. It's gonna be like that on both sides. I think they're maybe 10 millimeter. So we're gonna see what size it is for those, and get back to y'all when we got the spoiler off. So as he taking it out, go ahead, say what you were saying, bro.
Last time we were over here, it was Keith with us, and we were all helping him change his downpipe. I'm telling you, don't ever do it if you ever get an Infiniti.
Yes, that shit took all day. We started early in the morning. Sorry if I'm sweating, y'all. It's hot. It's like 80 degrees, 90 some degrees out here. It's hot. Like, yeah, it took us all morning to do that. It was supposed to, he said it was supposed to be a 3-hour job, fucking Q50 Gizzy. He lied to us. So y'all, and it's sorry y'all, the camera been cutting off because of it being so hot constantly. So the best way to do this is you gotta have two people, I say. I recommend getting another person to help you with this. Thankfully, my boy, Smoke Wolf, I have his Instagram down in the link in the description. What we did was, you ain't tighten this side, bro. Or unless it's supposed to have that little gap right there. But, yeah, like I was saying, y'all got, the best way to do this is to, if you move the hell out the way quick enough so I could finish my explanation.
Took my bottom.
I got you. No, I didn't. But the best way to do this is have the trunk closed and have someone inside the trunk and ask them like how to align it, because it's hard to do it while the trunk is up. So your best bet is to basically have the trunk closed with someone inside the trunk, and while they're in the trunk, they can see how lined up the screws are. So remember, you got 2 screws each side, both 10 millimeter, and use a deep socket wrench so you don't drop the screws inside the trunk, because if so, you will have a hell of a time getting it out. I don't know from experience. I know from...
I do. It just happened to me moments ago. Oh, just use a deep socket. It'll make the job a lot easier. But as far as when you do put a deep socket on, always use your hand, twist by hand, whether it's putting it on or taking it off, because if you're gonna have a hell of a hard time trying to use a socket, then you might end up having to possibly strip a bolt. Luckily, that's not in our case.
Yeah, see, that's Chase Cruz and Smoke Wolf teaching y'all things. Tell him he needs to start a damn YouTube channel. You need to start one, bro.
I would start. Why are you so close to my face?
What you talking about?
Mr. Cruz, you have to have a talk.
But anyway, y'all, that's the end of the video. Appreciate y'all coming and watching. Me and the homeboy installed the new spoiler on my 2012 Dodge Charger SXT Plus. I told y'all we changing this thing around a whole lot, so don't get it twisted. You want to end the video off?
You know what it is.
Smack the camera.